Good afternoon, amazing artists. Welcome back to Afternoon Art with Miss Ferrell. I know we have been off air for a while, but that's because we've been in school here in person. This episode is about how to use your remote art page. You'll be getting this in your packet, and from now on, this page will be the same for people who have elected to be remote throughout the year and for those who are temporarily remote, like we all are right now. So in your packet, your artwork will look like this. At the top, I need your name and your teacher's name. There are 18 different classes we've got here at school, so make sure you put your teacher's name so I know where this paper belongs. Every week, we will have an artist and an artwork to talk about. Now, normally when we're here in person, we all come in and we look at an artwork and we have this big discussion about what we see and what we notice. And then we take those things and we turn it into an artwork or use those ideas to make something new. And so this worksheet kind of has us doing the same thing. So all of this should be a little bit familiar. Here is our elements of art checklist. They are line, shape, color, form, value, texture, and space. These are the 7 words that we have been working on using all year. If you get to a word that you don't recognize, don't worry about it. I want you to find those words that you definitely do know and tell me what you see. If you see it in the artwork, make a check in the box and move on. You might not check off all 7 for every artwork, and that is okay. In the next box, we're talking about what we see, but this time we're going to draw or write. So for example, I see this big circle here in the corner. So I can take whatever I have to write or draw with, and I can draw that big circle how I see it, or I can write about that big circle using my describing words. When I've filled all 5 boxes with different things that I see in the artwork, I can move on to my last box, where I'm making it my own. This is where we take the ideas that we see in the artwork. We take the ideas that we liked, and we will use the blank page to make our own artwork. These might be stapled together in your packet. You can separate them if you'd like. You have all this space to make an artwork for you. And when you are done, there's a spot for a grown-up signature. There's a spot for the date. And this is what you will turn in to get credit for your artwork for the week. You only have art once a week, so there's only going to be 1 lesson per week in your packet. And that is how to use your remote art page when you are a remote learner. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email. I'm always here to help. If you would like to send me a picture of the artwork that you make after answering and filling in our paper, you can always do that. I will link my email in the description. And students, don't forget to let your light shine. Bye.